For this video, I'm going to be doing a review on the Biscaynebay wraparound elastic bed skirt that's in full extra large and white with a 12-inch drop. It's going to be placed on a metal frame for my bed, but if you have a regular box spring, you can use that as well. Unwrapping this, you pretty much see that the top part is indeed hollow, which will be the part your bed will be in the middle of. And then you have these elastic bands on this part, and they are white. That allows you to adjust how long or how tight you want this to be around your actual metal frame or your actual box spring. Here is some information on how to wash it. And for this section, as you can see, it has both ends of the elastic. This section will be the part you will put against the actual headboard, or if you have your bed against the wall, because this will not have any cloth to hide the things underneath of your bed. I do need to get a steamer to get all these extra little wrinkles out, but I do like that it is hiding the base of her metal frame, and it just makes it look so much more pretty to get everything done in her room. And here is the other side that actually keeps everything open so you can see the base still.